other.
All you need is 2 microfiber cloths, preferably in the 350 GSM range with a 70-30 blend, tape, light, clay bar, and polisher compound. We use CarPro Clear Cut for a higher cut compound and Sonax Perfect Finish for a final polishing compound. It's not required though. Depending on the scratch, you may not need both. First, wash your car. We use the 2-bucket method, and you can learn how to do this method in our link below. Before you do anything, you need to figure out whether the scratch will be fixable or not using this method. Feel the scratch with your fingers or your nails. If you feel that the scratch is too deep past the clear coat, this method will not work. That part will have to be touched up. If it's still on the clear coat, that's when the method will work. Keep in mind, this is only recommended for minor scratches. Then, use a clay bar on the area to get rid of any contaminants that are lingering. Use a degreaser as a lubricant. This should make the area smooth and eliminate any debris that could accidentally end up scratching your car in the process of fixing it. Dry with a microfiber cloth. Now tape the area surrounding the scratch area. This makes sure we're not polishing anywhere else. Using a pea-sized drop of the compound on your microfiber cloth, move in a quick circular motion to polish the scratch. You may have to put some oomph into it. Continue polishing until the scratch is out. You may have to do multiple passes, especially since you're just using your hands. Grab a different microfiber cloth and buff it out to get all of the compound off. Once you're done, remove tape and repeat for all scratches.